Welcome to the ultimate in luxury RV living today. We're diving into the all-new 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE, a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style, comfort, and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just stepping into the RV lifestyle, the Discovery LXE isn't just a way to get from point A to B, it's a destination all its own. Asterisk from the moment you set eyes on the exterior, it's clear this isn't your average coach. Fleetwood continues to set the bar with sleek full-body paint options, color-matched slide-out trims, and an aerodynamic front cap that's both bold and beautiful. Built on the reliable Freightliner XCM chassis and powered by a Cummins 380 horsepower diesel engine, the Discovery LXE delivers a smooth, quiet ride with enough torque to tackle mountain passes and long-haul highways with ease. Asterisk, but what really makes the 2026 Discovery LXE stand out is what's waiting inside. Step through the wide-entry automatic door and you're instantly welcomed into a luxury environment that feels more like a five-star suite than an RV. Soft-touch ceilings, polished porcelain tile flooring with underfloor heating, and ambient LED lighting all come together to create a space that feels warm, modern, and incredibly spacious. The floor plans, ranging up to 44 feet, offer multiple slide-outs that dramatically expand your living area with the push of a button. Asterisk, let's talk about the living room. The residential-style furnishings include ultra-soft power recliners, theater seating, or an optional L-shaped sectional perfect for movie nights, entertaining, or just kicking back after a day on the road. Opposite the seating area is an electric fireplace beneath a 50-inch LED smart TV with a premium sound system, making this your personal home theater on wheels. Asterisk adjacent to the lounge, the kitchen is a culinary dream. Solid surface countertops, a true residential refrigerator with French doors, a convection microwave, and an induction cooktop all come standard. There's even a dishwasher hidden behind custom cabinetry, adding just a little extra touch of luxury. And with generous pantry space and soft closed drawers, storage is never a concern even for long trips. Asterisk, the Discovery LXE doesn't stop with comfort, it's engineered for convenience too. Fleetwood's proprietary Freedom Bridge foundation provides an incredibly stable base, while features like the Drivitech with OptiView digital dash and Mobileye collision mitigation system ensure the ride is not only smooth but safe. You'll also appreciate the 10,000-pound towing capacity, giving you the freedom to bring along a full-size SUV or even a boat. Asterisk, now let's head toward the rear of the coach, where the true magic happens, the master bedroom and ensuite bath. The king-size Serenity series bed features an adjustable base and memory foam mattress. Overhead reading lights and nightstands with USB ports bring practical functionality, while a second smart TV ensures you can relax with your favorite shows right from bed. Walk into the master bath and you'll find a double vanity, a beautifully tiled shower with a glass door, and even a stacked washer and dryer hidden neatly in the cabinetry, because Fleetwood knows that the comforts of home should always travel with you. Asterisk, some floor plans include a second half bath in the middle of the coach, perfect for guests or quick pit stops during travel days. Every bathroom features solid surface countertops, porcelain toilets, and thoughtfully designed storage to make life on the road both stylish and functional. Asterisk, throughout the coach, smart design is everywhere you look. The 2026 Discovery LXE includes Wi-Fi Ranger, Bluetooth audio zones, multiplex lighting controls, and even the Fleetwood Connect app, letting you monitor and adjust systems like climate control, tank levels, and lighting all from your smartphone. Solar prep, auto-gen start, and dual 15,000 BTU air conditioners with heat pumps come standard, and with an Aqua-Hot to 5OD hydronic heating system, you'll be comfortable in every season. Asterisk, outside, things are just as impressive. The powered patio awning with LED lighting creates the perfect outdoor lounge, while an exterior entertainment center with yet another TV and soundbar means the party doesn't have to stay inside. There's even an exterior freezer option, massive pass-through storage compartments with LED lighting, and powered slide trays that make loading and unloading a breeze. Asterisk, the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE is not just an RV, it's a luxury residence. On wheels, every detail has been carefully thought out, every surface chosen for comfort and quality, and every feature designed with the traveler in mind. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or setting up for an extended stay, the Discovery LXE offers everything you need and more to enjoy the journey and the destination. Asterisk, thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Safe travels, and we'll see you down the road.